Matt.
Hey.
My question is, I'm in software sales. Sold my software package, got the PO from the customer. It's a school district, if that matters. So I've got the PO, but now they've kind of ghosted me. They won't let me implement, like do my training time. Sent emails, made phone calls, left voicemails. I'm just curious if you had any suggestions on how to follow up that, keep the customer.
Yeah. So what are you saying on the, let's start with the voicemails. What did you say on your last voicemail to them? Just pretend I'm them. Take your best guess at what you said.
Hey Matt, this is Jordan. I was just following up. Sorry, hey Matt, this is Jordan. I'm just following up. I want to see what your schedule is like for us to set up my software for your school district. Give me a call back when you get a chance. And, blah blah blah. 555-555.
It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Let me see if I can tune that up for you a little bit. Fair enough?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hey, Matt, Jordan, again, congratulations. We received the PO. We're ready to go. And then use these words. What happens next? What happens next? We need to do the installation. Does it make sense to get that scheduled for Thursday? I have some time on Thursday. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Right? So what happens next is, I don't know why, but it's like, remember when we were little kids and they paint the footprints to the washroom at preschool? Like, we got to lay out the footprints, like what happens next. And the other thing that I like about what happens next is it also, we're not doing any reference to, you can get out of this deal, right? We don't want to say, and what I love that you didn't say, Jordan, what we don't want to say is, hi, yeah, I'm confused because, we did the PO and I just want to see if you guys still needed this, or, if this, because all the time, especially with institutions like schools, hospitals, government agencies, if you give them an excuse to get out or delay, they will freaking take it all day, every day, and twice on Wednesday, right? Because they have to do work, right? And they're getting paid regardless. They don't really care if the software gets implemented. It's not coming out of their pocket. It's not like they've got an EBITDA, right? So real quick, boom, congratulations. I'm super excited. We've got the PO. We're all locked and loaded, ready to go. What happens next? I got to do the install. It's a pretty simple process. I'm happy to knock it out this Thursday. Does it make sense for me to knock it out on Thursday? I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. And boom, try that. Cool?
Cool. Makes sense. Thanks, Matt.
Are you tired of barely making quota every month, or worse? Are you not making your quota? Are you not hitting your numbers? Are you worried that you're going to lose your job in sales? All that can change for you within the next 60 days. Hi, my name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world, and we can help you double, yeah, you heard me correctly, double the amount of sales that you're making, double your quota, and double your income within the next 60 days with Easton University Sales Coaching. Click the link here, and we're going to show you how you'll have access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It has everything you need to know to double your income, double your commissions, double your quota within the next 60 days. You're also going to have the ability to join live coaching with me twice a week. I'm going to be there with you every step of the way. You got a question on prospecting? I've got you covered. You want to know how to close? We'll walk through it. You want to be able to skillfully handle objections and complaints? I will walk you through in the live settings. Check out Easton University. Click the link now. You're going to see 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you that have doubled their income in the last 60 days. Click the link here. I want to talk to you about how we can help you sell twice as much within the next 60 days.